Hello everyone. The next question in indices is question number 12, which is to simplify this expression. So let us do that. First, I will write as it is 2 power m plus 1 multiplied by 3 power 2m minus n plus 3. This one 5 power n plus m plus 4, and the 6 I will write it as 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2n plus m divided by the denominator 6. I will write it as 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2m plus n. 10 I will write it as 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of n plus 1. 15 I will write it as 5 multiplied by 3 to the power of m plus 3. Now, if I consider the numerator, first let me write 2 power m plus 1, 3 power 2m minus n plus 3, 5 power n plus m plus 4, and this I can split it as 2 power 2 power 2n plus m into 3 power 2n plus m. Same way, denominator I'll split it 2 power 2m plus n, 3 power 2m plus n, 5 power n plus 1, 2 power n plus 1, 5 power m plus 3, 3 power m plus 3. Now let us bring all the common base together, means in the numerator 2 power m plus 1. Here there is a 2n plus m. I will add. And now here 2 power 2m plus n, if I take it to the numerator, it will get subtracted, minus 2m minus n. Next, write down for 3, 2m minus n plus 3. Then we will add this power plus 2n plus m. Then in the denominator you have this. If I take it to the numerator, the power will get opposite sign, minus 2m minus n. Then the next is 5 to the power of n plus m. I'm sorry, I think one more I missed it. I wrote this minus 2m minus n. There is one more here, minus m minus 3. Then now I will write about 5 power n plus m plus 4. Then in the denominator you have this, that I will take it to numerator, it will become minus n minus 1. One more is there, m. Here also I missed one more. Let me write it. What I wrote, 5 power n plus this I wrote, this I already wrote, this I have to write, minus m minus 3. One thing what I missed is this first one, this I wrote it already, this I wrote it, then I wrote this also, here I wrote this, then I wrote this, then I wrote this with the opposite sign, this also I wrote it. This I wrote first, here this I wrote it after taking to numerator, this also I wrote it after taking. So what is left is this 2 power n plus 1 I didn't write. Let me keep it in the denominator. Later on I can. Now, what will happen here? Here there is m plus m, 2m, and there is a negative m. And you may notice 2n minus n, which is n plus 1 is n plus 1 only. This whole thing, 2 power n plus 1, I can cancel with this. Here, if you look into this, m gets cancelled with this m. This plus 3 gets cancelled with this minus 3, and then minus n minus 2n plus 2n. This gets cancelled with this. 2m gets cancelled with this. And then here, m gets cancelled. 4 minus 4 gets cancelled. N minus n gets cancelled. So ultimately, it is 3 power 0 into 5 power 0, which is nothing but 1. So if I simplify this expression, the result is 1. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.